This is Twisted Big D. We're going to talk about an app called Trucker Path. This is Trucker Path. If we need to find a truck stop, we use Trucker Path to find a truck stop. We found this pilot right here. I just clicked on the pilot, pops up this screen. It tells us somebody put about an hour ago, there's some spots, 6 hours ago some spots, and 11 hours ago there's some spots. We can update the status right here. If we need directions to it, we can get directions to it. If we pull this menu up, pops up another more information on this place. It gives us directions, how far away we're at. It gives us the highway, the address, the highway, longitude and latitude. It also tells us that there's 35 spots here. There's 5 showers, overnight parking, Wi-Fi, diesel price, and they have a scale. If we scroll down more, it has a phone number, fax. Sometimes it has info on the website and the weather. And then also, if we scroll down, I mean, there's some comments. I really don't want to get into them. Some people are not very nice in their comments. We can also go up here, read the reviews. There's some this is the details, but there's some reviews, and then there's restaurants in that tab. So if we click on restaurants, it's going to tell you that there's a Subway and how far it is. Wendy's, how far it is. And it's going to give you pretty much a list of restaurants and how far they are. It goes up to probably about 5 miles or so is what I'm guessing. Let's scroll down. Yeah, it looks like about 5 miles. The last one down there is 5 miles. We're back out of that screen. We're back out of this. We can also use the satellite view right here, and we can zoom in and kind of get an overview of the parking lot. The little blue dot on the screen, that's where I'm parked. There's another truck stop across the street. That's another pilot with even more parking. We can zoom out. We can also find out that we can also hit the places. Sorry about that. Let me go back and circle it so you'll know where it is. The places right here. We hit places, and this is the stuff I have. I have truck stops, Pilot Flying J's, the quick trips, wait stations, TAs and Petros, rest areas, loves, and parking. That's pretty much all I use. Right now I have Walmart on here. If we go to the next page, there's Walmart. I have Walmart on there because I wanted to show you what the Walmart emblem looks like, and that if we need groceries and stuff like that, we can highlight that and we can find a Walmart. It also has clearance, hotels, stuff like that. I really don't use none of this other stuff like shops and just a whole bunch of varieties of stuff for trucking. That's all truck related. The Walmart right here. I clicked on the Walmart right here, and it pops up information about Walmart. Sometimes you can find out different stuff, like some Walmarts actually have parking. And you can go to the reviews. I won't really go to the reviews tab and say in case somebody wrote something bad, but they have reviews on the store, like if they people got in trouble for parking, the correct way to go to that Walmart, different stuff like that, so you know that it's okay to park there or don't go there. This is the app called Trucker Path, and I really enjoy it, and I use it every single day, probably multiple times a day.